which allows you to trade even on weekends and public holiday. Just today Saturday, and see the market is currently still moving. They check around this level ahead. You can see it's actually still having changed in current price. All right, that's it. Going to analysis, and of course, starting with H4. And just in case you don't have an account with this broker or you don't have access to all these as in market, you can check the description. I'll be leaving a link there for you to register an account with them. And of course, see that link, you have access to my trades. You can see all trades I take. I can choose to copy any of them. Want to copy them. Remember, if you're copying of the trades, try to ensure you adjust the loss side to loss side actually suits you, so you don't end up risking more than you can afford to lose. All right. Now looking at this, you can see that the market has currently been on the bullish part of it, and it seems like we're actually having some change of structure already. Let me just mark this, take this out. So you can see we are more like having a change of structure. There's no any rejection around this level. So just look at this. So you can see this already having rejection, but then this rejection is only going to be confirmed if we can go below this previous zone where we have. Now remember there was a zone here which was our previous high, breaking above the now testing a from this candlestick formation. We have likeliness of going below this, which will pull back, then we can actually go short on this. So remember we are going short only when this happens. Otherwise, we are still going to be bullish on it, and a bullish is only going to be confirmed if the candlestick formation says so. Remember, you want to see rejection, just if you want to move into it, they get rejected, closing above this zone. You want to see the bullish candle fully formed above, they can think of going long. Otherwise, from what we are seeing currently, there's good likelihood that the market is going to move on the bearish side into this zone, getting retracement, they think of going short on that. So on FX volume 20, fingers are crossed to see what the market does as the day goes by. Going to the next one, which is going to be the break 600. Remember, we still have other one just in case someone trade the one that I'm actually analyzing. You can open your account and check out other analysis, other trades for you to trade, for you to take there. Then on this, on the bullish, on the bearish, sorry, no much of analysis there. Breaking previous low. Going to 15-minute chart to see if we can see any entry signals. Now, I haven't been that this market has been on this level for, let me just use this to trade to make it clearer. You can see when we go down here, went up, came back, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then we broke above it and this level down here, came back again, was not able to break below. You can see it now moving series of lower highs and lower lows. You can see it right here. Now, what is telling us that this market has very good chance of moving below this. So that means we want to see this candle close, and if once the candle closes bearish below this level right here, they'll be going short on that formation. Remember, I said it has to close below this first on the bearish candle. So if we get it close below this, our stop loss comes above this, then we target 1:2 weeks to the reward. So you can see this. So wait for the candlestick to close bearish below this level. If that happens, we go short on that. Stop loss right here, then I take profits minimum of 1:2 weeks to reward issue. If you want to take more, make sure after your 1:2, you move your stop loss, your break even. So that's that. That's going to be that for today on what's it called? Break 600. So going to the next one, which is going to be the game 400. Or should we use 600 for today? Let's do the same thing we're using. Let's just use 400, give 400. Then we go to the H4. Breaking previous low, similar to what we just saw. Oh, sorry, please. Okay, breaking previous low. Have you seen a movement back into that zone, or have you seen continuation of the bearish, somehow similar to the previous one? Now, let's see also analyze this deal using this pattern, what's the indicator? You notice something, right? So now, having that this market seems to be on the bearish part of it. But they can see something similar. Like, I can see the market actually move like a curve pattern around this level. Now, for the only reason why we're going long on this is only if we can see a break above this high here. That day time you can actually confirm that this is a conical pattern, more like form like a cone, more like this. You can see like this C pattern. Then if that can happen, then we happen to see a break above this, then we'll be going long on that. Otherwise, looking at this formation right now, if you see any movement below this, then it's going to be what's it called, a bearish pattern. So in other words, on what's it called, on gain 400, fingers across to see what the market does as the time goes by. Remember, this is a low internal level we are looking at. So you want to see a break below this for us to go short on that. That's that for GainX 400. So go to the next one. After gain, I'm sure you know the next one is going to be pain. And of course, CB using 400 too. Okay, going to the H4. Hold on, let me for the H4 to open. Wow, we seem to be on the bullish for a long time. So let's just mark this still. Oh wow. So let's go to the 15-minute chart. Let's see if we can see any entry in time frame. We actually expect a pullback to this zone for a clearer chart. So let's wait for the pullback. If that pullback happens, fine. If it doesn't happen, then wait for a break above this, a movement above this level for us to go long again. Remember, a pullback to this, then we think of going long. Otherwise, wait for a break above this level, for us to go long. So that's that for what's it called? For pin 400. So go to the next one, the final one, which is going to be, have we got to gain? Have we done gain? So let me just confirm something. I think we've done gain, right? Let me see, have we done gain? Yes, we've done gain. So that means the final one was going to be flip. And we are using flip X1. Okay. Then we mark the structure. Here's the recent structure. Now on the bullish, we want to see a movement above this. Target this next zone right here, which is going to be here. Let me see mark it, just in case you can see it properly. I'm sure you can see right here already. So that's my target face. You see a movement above there. You can see ejection here. So let's see if we can get a change of structure on the bearish for us to go short, and this is going to be our next target. Let's wait for change of structure. Remember, if the market moves above this, closing above this level with this pattern, then we can go along. But then, if we can see a change of structure, and I mean a change of structure, we want to see the market breaking previous low formed by it, and then now from what they have here, I can see this moving to this level. They can see the movement below this. They're unable to break, maybe stopping around. They're unable to break above the stopping around there. They are breaking below this its own previous low. Then coming back, unable to break this previous high again, stopping here. Then we can think of going short, and of course, it's going to be our next target. So please take note of this. Otherwise, look on the bearish. The movement above this is testing this for us to go long this level. So that's going to be the end of the analysis, and of course, with 12 trade, just the way I said earlier, the link will be in the description. If you don't have an account with them, to open an account. And remember, they don't offer just synthetic, they offer the Forex market, they offer crypto, they offer different assets for you to trade on. And synthetic also available on Saturdays, on weekend, on public holidays, no fundamentals, just pure technical. That said, this is going to be the end of analysis. Of course, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please stay safe, trade safe, and ensure you don't risk more than you can afford to lose.